So, Catherine's here, and we got some unboxings to do. But one thing I wanted to show, she doesn't know that I'm going to talk about, that we got in today. For my gloves. Are the 2-ounce silver Trump coins. And these go very, very quickly. It's one thing to get them in 1 ounce, but the 2-ounce coins go fast. So that's actually a pseudo unboxing.
Is it just the one sleeve? Is it the last sleeve of it, or is it?
We got 2 sleeves.
2 sleeves of those, okay.
Yeah. We'll just leave the gloves on. Sound like it's the 50s. And then what do we have here? This is a bunch of the Tungsten bands that you've been seeing. We do a lot of these. And this is just this week's orders coming in. That's the one I wear. Some people keep it basic and black. This is a new one. This one's pretty tight. And this one's new too. That one's really cool.
Ooh, oh, that's neat. Yeah, the blue. Wow.
So, there's that. And then there is a nice couple getting a ring made, wedding ring. And this is the lab-grown diamond that we're going to do with it. It's a carat 75. Emerald shape. Killer stone. And it's at a really super duper good price. These come with certs, you know, certification, papers and everything. So now no more time to play and goof around. I gotta let everybody know what their rings are in and get to building that ring.
So these 4 here were ordered?
Yeah.
They were special ordered?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're ordered.
Nice.
Yeah, we order those weekly. We do a lot of them. So
Awesome.
that's today's unboxing.
All right.